Google Maps Search Result Scraper allows you to extract key details such as place name, phone number, address, website, ratings, and opening hours from Google Maps or Google Places search results. Visit app.scrapehero.com. Sign up using your Gmail account or create a new account. In the left sidebar, click App Store. Choose Google Maps Search Results. Click Create a New Project. Enter a project name. Provide the business name and location you want to extract data from. Specify the number of data points you want to gather. Use the data credits calculator in the right sidebar to calculate the credits required for this project. Click Save and Exit to save the project and schedule it for later. Click Gather Data to extract the results immediately. Once the data is extracted, click See Data to view the results. To download the data, click Download and select your preferred format. The data will be downloaded in your desired format. To edit project details, click Settings from the menu. To schedule your scraper for a future time, click Schedules in the menu. Set the frequency, start date, and time. The scraper will run automatically at the set time. To automate data delivery, click Integrations from the menu. Connect your scraper to external storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, or to your API. To track your credit usage, click Credits from the menu.